Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So we're doing this BMW 2007 BMW 3 Series. The the axle broke off, as you guys can see, and this is on the passenger side, so I am replacing it. Just want to give you guys a little detail on how I did it. So as you guys can see, let's see. Obviously, you took the tire off. You take the bracket off of the brakes. And after that, obviously, you take the rotor off. So after you take the rotor off, take the heat shields off. After you take the heat shields off, what you're going to remove is the control arm right here. This right here, the rack and pinion steering, and also I took the middle control arm off and banged the. After that, this is free right now. All right, you don't need to take the strut off, but it just came out pretty clean. So I'm about to put this back in, and should be a pretty simple job, hopefully.